Friday night, the big story on Action News tonight is the arrival of the coronavirus in the Delaware Valley. Late today, word that there is a COVID-19 patient at Jefferson Health in Cherry Hill. There's also a presumptive case in Delaware County. There are no people being treated in the state of Delaware. We've got Action News reporter Dan Quayle at the Camden County Health Department. Jacqueline Lee is in media. Trish Hartman is in Doylestown to talk about the decision by Central Bucks School District to close 5 schools today. Let's start with Dan. Dan, what do we know about the presumptive coronavirus case in Camden County?
Well, Jim, right now they're telling us that the patient is a Camden County resident in his 60s who went to the hospital feeling very ill. They say he is in stable condition, being treated as if he had the coronavirus, even though it has not been independently confirmed by the CDC, but they're treating him as if he had it.
We were notified several hours ago that a male in his 60s tested presumptively positive for the COVID-19 coronavirus. He is in stable condition at Jefferson Hospital in Cherry Hill.
The patient is said to be in isolation here at the Jefferson Hospital facility in Cherry Hill. This after the patient went to the hospital reporting that he felt ill. That's when they did tests that were sent to the New Jersey Department of Health lab, and the test came back as a likely case of coronavirus. Samples have now been sent to the CDC for further analysis and confirmation. While officials were not able to tell us what part of the county the patient is from or who, if anyone, that patient came in contact with, they emphasized the risk to the general public is low.
People need to continue washing their hands, using good hygiene, staying home if they are not feeling well, staying away to the extent you can from other people who are not feeling well. Do not shake hands with people. Just do everything you can to minimize the risk.
The state health department is the lead agency on this, so wherever he traveled from, where he went, and who he came in contact with are all protocols they would track down and notify everyone he came in contact with and try to figure out how in the world he got this. This is a developing story. For now, live here in Blackwood, Camden County, New Jersey, I'm Dan Quayle, Channel 6 Action News. Jim?
Thank you, Dan.